Hey guys, welcome to our August speed reviews. This might be a two-part, I'm not sure yet. I'll wait and see how long it takes me to get through everything. But let's just get started. So, we didn't try out as much as last month, but we still tried out a fair bit. So, let's get into it. So the first thing I have here, this is the P. Louise Sweet Surrender palette. I did a whole video on this, so you can go and check that out if you like. I tried this out the other day. How stunning is this palette? Looks like a little box of chocolates. It's so cute. You guys already know that I love my P. Louise shadows so much. This one has cream shadows in it though, and I didn't like those. In saying that, I feel like maybe I need to try them out again because I used a eye base under them and I don't really know how to use cream shadows. So I mean, it's very possible that it could have been my fault for not knowing how to use them properly. So I don't want to like shit on them straight away without knowing 100% like, you know, how to use them. But yeah, anyway, that was the first thing. So beautiful. I love it. I just think it's such a cute palette. It gives me very much like Willy Wonka vibes. I also tried out this. This is the Melt Cosmetics and Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween Town palette. How cool is this palette? Like, if you're a Nightmare Before Christmas fan, I feel like they did such a great job on this collection. Just the attention to detail and everything like that. It was just, oh, stunning. The colour story is super cute, but it's not very cohesive in my opinion. I feel like it's just hard to get like a look out of it. But I mean, we made it work, and this is the thing that sometimes is the problem with collabs and things like this. It's so great, like, and fitting in the sense of the movie, but it can also be hard to make it kind of wearable. But I mean, in saying that, I guess Nightmare Before Christmas isn't your typical wearable thing, so I don't know. But yeah, I did love this. I think the packaging and stuff is so beautiful. I really liked the shadows. It was my first time trying out Melt Cosmetics shadows, and I just thought that was so nice. I also did a full dedicated video to this collection as well, so if you want to go and check that out, you can. I tried out this Colourpop High Tide palette. How pretty is that? It's so gorgeous. I love this colour story. I think it's absolutely stunning. You guys know that I'm such a sucker for like blues and greens, and yeah, so I feel like this palette so pretty. I did really enjoy it. I feel like it's one of those palettes that it's not super versatile in the sense of like, you know, there's only a couple of looks that you can do with this just because obviously it is monotone, like it's only, you know, one shade kind of thing, or like one colour, like different shades of the colour. So like, you know, you're limited in that sense, but obviously you don't buy this expecting it to be a super versatile palette, I guess. So I did really enjoy it. I love my Colourpop shadows. I think they're amazing. And yeah, this was super cute. This was the Melt True Love Never Dies Digital Dust Highlighter. And I think this might be one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. I just need to like... This is the packaging on the outside. Then when you open it up, it has Jack and Sally in it. And I just can't. I think it's stunning. It's got the little like mountainy or like hill thing that they're on. And yeah, I just think it's so pretty. It is a little bit deep for me. That's the shade there. But honestly, it was such a pretty highlight. I put it on with like a big kind of fluffier brush, so it was like not as like concentrated, I guess. And it actually looked so nice on the skin. It's so beautiful and just, oh, it's so stunning. I love it so much. And yeah, I think this is stunning. I honestly kind of never want to use it again because I just want to keep the imprint of Jack and Sally in there. I just think that's actually so cool. And that's one thing that I really, really enjoyed about this collab is not just like the makeup itself, but just the attention to detail in like the packaging and things like that. You know, these are like, these can like double as like actual usable pieces, but also like collector's pieces as well because they're so pretty. On that note, we also tried the Deadly Nightshade Cream Blush and Highlight from Melt Cosmetics and Nightmare Before Christmas. And I did like this one. The blush is really pretty. It's like a super pinky, like, I don't know, it's like a really nice shade though. I didn't use the cream highlighter on my face, but it didn't really seem like something I would super love that much. I mean, in saying that, I haven't tried it on my face yet, so I don't know. But it did just feel like a little bit like Vaseline-y or like oily or something, so I'm not sure how I'd get along with it like on the actual face. It looked to be a nice shade, but yeah. I feel like this wasn't my favourite thing in the collection, but like it's still pretty and still cute, so. Also from that collection, we tried out the Glitter Eye Gel. This one's in the shade Making Christmas, and it's like this beautiful like bluey purple duo chromey thing. I'll give you a swatch. So that's it there. Super pretty. When this went on my eye, it burnt, and I was quite concerned for a bit. Like, it was weird. So these go on as like a paste, and they dry down like so that they're not moving around or whatever. And I feel like as it was drying down, it like hurt, and it was really weird. Like, it was like burning. I kind of almost felt like, you know, when you put like a plumping gloss on and you can feel like it kind of burning. That's kind of what it felt like on my eyelid. And I was a little bit concerned because I was like, is that meant to happen? Like, I mean, it was fine in the end. It ended up like it didn't like burn or anything in the end, but yeah, I don't know. It was just like a bit odd to start with, and I was a little bit worried about it, but it looked really pretty on the eyes, and after it dried down it didn't burn anymore, so I don't know what that was about. But these are 2 lipsticks from the collection. The first one is How Jolly, and look, this is probably a shade that I'm never gonna wear because it's green. Like, it's very fitting for Nightmare Before Christmas, but not super wearable, so whatever. And then the other one is Shop Down, and this is like a purple, which is a little bit more wearable, but still probably not shades that I'm going to get a ton of use out of. I kind of probably shouldn't have tried them and put them on my lips, so I could have passed them along, but whatever. I mean, I've done it now, so yeah. Don't get me wrong, like, I feel like it's the same kind of thing with the eyeshadow palette, like very fitting for Nightmare Before Christmas, just not super wearable in like a makeup aspect. So yeah. This is the Hideaway deodorant. This is in Pistachio Paradise, and I'm so excited. I'm going to take this away with me because as a roll-on, oh, it smells so good, guys. It smells like Sol de Janeiro, the Bum Bum Cream. I'm actually going to put some on now. Is this weird? This is a bit weird, isn't it? Oh, it smells so good though. So yeah, it's like a roll-on deodorant, obviously. And yeah, it's a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream or Cheirosa. Is it Cheirosa 62? I don't know, the original one that they came out with. So it's aluminium free and bicarb free. They did send this over to me, which was very nice of them. But yeah, I feel like it's really nice. It smells really, really nice. So I'm really excited to take that away. What else did we try out? This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. This one is in Shore Thing. Shore is spelt like shore as in like seashore, like S-H-O-R-E. Give you a little swatch of her. It's such a cute shade. How pretty is that? It's like a aquary kind of shade. I love a Super Shock Shadow. I think they're really nice. I tried out these 2 P. Louise lip bases. The first one is No Censor and the other one is Power Hungry. This is my first time trying these out. I'll swatch them for you. I do really like these, but these are like the most liquidy like things that I've ever tried. Hang on, let me swatch them. So this is No Censor. That one there. They're really, really pretty shades. You have to be careful swatching them because they're so like thin and liquidy. You like squeeze it one bit and like half the tube comes out. And then the one underneath it is Power Hungry. So they're absolutely stunning. I really like the shades. But yeah, this is the weirdest formula. So they're called lip bases. And they're really nice, but they're so thin. Like, it's so weird. Like, the colour payoff is really nice. But yeah, they're so thin and so like liquidy. I don't know, like, I've never ever tried a lip product like it. It's so weird to me, but I actually really like them. Like, I feel like they look really nice. I'm actually wearing one at the moment. This one is She a Baddie. Is it? Yeah. It's like you can see that like the colour payoff and stuff is really nice, but yeah, they're just so thin and liquidy. It's like so random. It's like a first of its kind formula because I've never experienced something like it before. It's not a bad thing either. Like, I actually do really enjoy the formula. It doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything on your lips, which is nice, but you just have to be careful when you apply it. You need to kind of get used to applying them because they are so liquidy and like thin and stuff. Like, you squeeze the tiniest amount and then you've got half the tube on your lips and it's like smudging around your mouth. So once you get used to the formula and know how to apply it, they're really nice. But yeah, this is the Emco Ultra Glow Slick Lip Oil. This is in Blue Sprinkles. I didn't love this one. The smell, it's like blue raspberry and it just kind of, I don't love it. Like, I'll still use it, but it wouldn't be my first choice. I thought it was going to be like a bit more like, I don't know, like kind of like donut kind of scented. I don't know, because like it was called Blue Sprinkles and had like a picture of a donut on the packaging, but that smells like blue raspberry and it's a bit sickly. This one, however, I do really like. This is the same thing, like an Ultra Glow Sleek Lip Oil, but this one's in lemon meringue and it smells absolutely fucking incredible. Sorry, excuse my language, but oh, it smells so good, guys. Oh, I can't even, like, I want to put it on my lips right now. I want to lick the doe foot, to be honest, because it smells so good. It's part of the Candy Shop collection that they have exclusively at Big W. And yeah, I don't know what they put in that, but it smells absolutely incredible. And I did like a lip swatch video trying out all of the MCO Candy Shop stuff. So if you want to check that out and see, like, you know, more in-depth reviews, you can. This, I love these. This is the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oils. I also did a lip swatch videos on these. They smell really nice. They smell like mint. These are so nice. I actually love the formula of these. They look so hydrating and like plumping and healthy, and just they've got really, really pretty shades. This one here is called Baby Panda. Yeah, no, I really enjoy these. I'm so excited because I'm going to take some of these away with me, I think. Because I feel like they're just such nice, like, wearable, just everyday kind of glosses. And they just make your skin, I mean, your lips look so nice. And yeah, there's that one swatch there. That's Baby Panda. But yeah, I'm so excited to take some of these away with me. I absolutely love them. This is something else that I really love. This is the Glisten to Your Heart. This is the glitter eyeliner from P. Louise. This one's in Heart's Desire. This is a new product that they came out with. It came in the July budget box, and honestly, I really, really enjoy these. Let's just swatch a bit there. They look so pretty on the eyes. And they're also super easy to use, and the little liner thing is really thin, and it's really like easy to get like a super precise line. Love those. Tried out the Chucky Blush Duo. If I'm being honest, I don't really remember what I thought of this. This is from Glamelight. It looks like a really pretty shade. I actually quite like that. Like, it's super like hot pink, but I feel like it would be really nice. I'm sorry guys, I honestly don't remember what I thought of it, but it looks pretty, so I feel like I would have liked it. This is the Colourpop Jelly Matte Shadow in Forever Valentine. I got sent this back in like February for their Valentine's Day collection. I love me a Jelly Matte eyeshadow. I think they're absolutely stunning. They look so pretty on the eyes, and the formula is so cool. I've said it before, but the only downside is that they dry up quite quickly, but I mean, whatever. That's it there. And oh, such a pretty shade. It's so beautiful. Just love them. I think they're such a nice product. This is the Glamelight and Frosted Flakes lip gloss. I honestly don't remember what I thought of this either. I'm running out of room on my hand. Oh, it looks pretty though. It doesn't smell what I thought it would have smelled, but it doesn't. Anyway, that's it there, like on my knuckle kind of. Sorry for the terrible swatch. It's real pretty though. It's like a kind of clear gloss, but it's got like golden and pinky shimmer throughout. Oh, this guys, yum. So this is the MCO Overnight Lip Mask. This one's in the scent Rainbow Gelato, and this smells absolutely incredible. I actually love that. I think that smells so good. I honestly kind of want to take that away with me as well. I do really like the formula of this. I've been using the Caramel Frappe one. I'm going to have to go and get that. Let me go and get that and then I'll be back. Hang on. Okay, so the one that I've been using all month is the Caramel Frappe. And this one's so nice as well. I take this one to work with me. It smells really good, but I think the Rainbow Gelato one smells the best. But yeah, I do really like this. I've been using it like more as a lip balm at work, because it says you can either use it like as a lip balm or you can use it as a sleeping mask. But yeah, I've been using it as a lip balm and I think it's really nice. And then the last one is the Strawberries and Cream. This one does smell nice, but it's just not my favourite. Yeah, like it's just not my favourite. But it does smell really nice as well. I reckon that's where we'll stop part one. We've still got a little bit more makeup to go through, and then we also have like skincare and body care. So tune in to part 2 of our speed reviews in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!